scoring some free firewood on Marketplace today, so let's get her cut up. All right, that's gonna do it. Van's loaded up. We're out of here. Happy New Year, y'all.